Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Make sure you enjoy each moment because you don't know when it's going to be your last. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. It broke out of that downtrend line. It smashed through it, which is a very good sign with a lot of volume. We're going to jump into the technicals. Yesterday I made around $6,000 on those buys, which is beautiful. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen. This is what I'm doing in the markets. You do your own. I'm just showing you what I do. And because I've been showing what I do now, 68,000 people follow me. Hit the subscribe button if you want to join those 68,000 people on your phone down there. Smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So now we're going to the technicals for Bitcoin. This is the blue major trend line that Bitcoin's been on. This blue line here. It's been trending up for 2 years. And then we had this huge correction since the 11th of November. It came down massively. Now, it yesterday broke through that downtrend line, this white line that's been going since November, so around 3 months. It started trending down, and it never broke through this white line until yesterday. It exploded through. While I was making the video, it actually broke through, and I started buying up a lot of things, which made around $6,000, which is beautiful if you saw that video. And here it does look like it's formed a kind of bottom now, a kind of cup. It made higher lows, and that's not really a bottom formation. However, with this huge explosion of volume breaking through that downtrend line, with a lot of volume, that seems like it did finally end this downtrend. Now we're at a major point of resistance around this area, 42,000, 41,500, this area here, because it needs to get back above the blue trend line. For us to actually go very bullish, it needs to get back, bounce, and head up. If it gets rejected here strongly, that's a very not good sign. That's very dangerous. That's a possibility as well. That we get rejected here, and then it's a failed attempt to break back through into a bull run. And then it can come down again to the 30K. So this point of area is so important for Bitcoin. A lot of volume coming in. There's been a lot of buyers. Stochastic is still heading up, slightly overbought, but still heading up. We're inside the EMA ribbons on the daily, quite strongly inside the EMA ribbons. But it hasn't gone above, and the EMA ribbons on the daily have not yet turned. So this is not over yet. We're not yet in a bull run. We need to get back above. The crypto guru bot is still saying sell. It hasn't turned to blue. For example, when it turned blue to buy back here, for example, in 2020 in October, it went blue buy, and it went all the way up from 9,000 to 64,000. Then it went sell red, and you can see the same thing. We went blue buy, sell red, and it hasn't turned blue yet. So the crypto guru bot is not saying to buy yet. What else do we have? The death cross is still in effect. VPVR, we've got a lot of resistance around these areas. Look at this, at 42,000, at 46,000, huge areas of resistance. Bitcoin is going to need a lot to get through these points now. Let's turn on some other indicators. So now we're looking money flow index. Money is starting to flow heavily into Bitcoin now. Squeeze mob is first to the green side, first green candle on the squeeze mob. So that's a good indicator. And it looks like we have broken that massive downtrend line, which is very bullish. But now again, we're at the major point of resistance. To go really long and to add a lot of long positions and to buy a lot more Bitcoin, I want to get a bounce above this blue trend line, bounce and head up. And that would be a beautiful long position to take. But I already bought quite a bit of Bitcoin yesterday. On the 4 hourly, huge spikes up. The stochastic is overbought. We could possibly be coming back down to 39,000 and forming a cup and handle here. Stochastic is overbought though, so most likely we are going to be coming to 39,300, and that will be a point that we want to get a strong bounce to go long. A lot of volume still coming in on the hourly. Let's check on the EMA ribbons. The EMA ribbons have turned for one of the first times. The EMA ribbons have turned since November, which is a really nice sign. Hopefully it can start heading up strongly. VPVR, we have big resistance at that $42,000 area. And let's check out on the squeeze mob on the 4 hourly, also going to the green heavily. Money flow index, money is flowing heavily into Bitcoin, but kind of peaking, which is a little bit danger. So on the 4 hourly, it looks like we could be correcting slightly. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, still heading up, where the moving average is still heading up, but it looks like we could be correcting down to this 39K area, forming then a cup and handle formation, which is a very bullish formation, and that would be actually a good thing to happen for Bitcoin. Now let's check out the Ethereum. Ethereum is back inside this big symmetrical triangle, which is very good. This one on the daily, look at this. This is a giant symmetrical triangle, and Ethereum is back inside here. And that's a very good sign, because that means we're back inside this. If we can come up to 3,300 and break out, that would be very nice for Ethereum. Stochastic is overbought on the daily though. But we are back inside this symmetrical wedge, so hopefully we can hold here. We would need to hold on Ethereum 2,800, and then a big breakout for Ethereum would be expected around the 19th or 20th of April. That would be a big mega move for Ethereum, whether to the upside or to the downside. We'll have to know around the 20th of April. Let's go into the total market cap of all cryptos. Total market cap of all cryptos bouncing very strongly off this heavy support area. This was a very strong support on the total market caps. Look how strong this support at 1.48 trillion. It exactly bounced on my red line. I put this red dotted line quite a while ago, and it exactly bounced off there. The area that I was actually wanting to buy, and I thought Bitcoin and crypto could come down to this 1.1 trillion, but it didn't. At 1.4 trillion, it held up very strongly. We actually came through this big resistance at 1.78 trillion. Now we're at a very big resistance. As you can see here, this is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. We have a strong resistance here. So this is a big area for Bitcoin and the total market cap of all cryptos to get through. Now I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video, on your phone, underneath the video, smash up this thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Hit the subscribe button. Join nearly 69,000 subscribers on my channel now. Click the join button if you want to see my trades that I make in the market. And if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, Bitcoin trading Bybit link. This link down below. If you click on this link and sign up to Bybit, you get a sign up bonus of $4,100 when you sign up to Bybit. And then once you go down there, you click and you sign up. You have to deposit Bitcoin to get that bonus. But once you sign up, it will then open Bybit. And this is my Bybit account. Yesterday it was at 96,000 around. Now we're sitting at 104,000. So we made around $8,000 yesterday, US dollars, which is beautiful. 2.5 Bitcoin. In my spot account, I've got 1.43 Bitcoin. I've got $16,000 worth of Bit, which is up quite a bit today. I've got $12,000 of Cake, which is up 8%. Great buy yesterday. I did an awesome call on those two alts, and I've got around 11,000 USDT, which I will add to Bitcoin longs and add more position when Bitcoin comes down. So now what could be a trade to take for Bitcoin is, I would say at the 39,000 going, if we get a strong bounce at 39,000, that will be a good long position to take. So setting a long here with a very tight stop loss. Wait, I got to turn off the magnet. So going long here with a tight stop loss just below here. So stop loss at 35,000, opening at 39,000. And then a take profit, we could go really big on this trade, 51,000. That gives a 2.95 ratio trade, risking $3,900 to make $11,738. But again, only opening that trade, I would only open it at the $39,000 mark, which is still a way off. So I would only open that trade at 39,000, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the total cryptocurrency markets. Now I'm going to choose a winner. We got the Twitter back for MagicCraft. This is hide Twitter, the huge play-to-earn game. MagicCraft Twitter is down because of you guys. 822 people commented to get the Twitter back, and now it's back. MagicCraft Twitter is back, which is amazing. I'm going to choose the winner of $300 Tether from these comments. Anyone that commented in the last 48 hours, because that was the new competition. So I'm going to pick someone that commented in the last 48 hours, which is many. Crypto, you've won $300 US Tether. My team will contact you, which is beautiful. So thank you, everyone. That's what's been happening in the markets. Let's see what else do we have here. We have reclaimed our Twitter, which is beautiful because of all of you, more than 800 of you commenting, which is amazing. So thank you all so much. That's what I think is going to happen to Ethereum. That's what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. Hope you have a beautiful weekend. Hit the subscribe button. Join almost 69,000 subscribers on this channel. You're all amazing. Enjoy each moment. Spend time with your loved ones, with the people around you. You're not guaranteed tomorrow, so enjoy each moment. Just relax into your body, take a nice deep breath, and just enjoy the moment. You're not guaranteed to be alive in 5 minutes from now. You're not guaranteed to be with the people that you're around in 5 minutes from now. So really enjoy each moment. Enjoy the people that you're with. Have a beautiful day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.